All right, so this is a Gooseneck work light with magnet. And another little note here, remove the battery insulator before use. So this has batteries in it that are protected where they're not being used currently. Nothing really around the sides. The top just has the same thing, a Gooseneck work light with magnetic, and then the same back here. So let's open this on up. See what we actually get in here. And that's it for in the box. So a little instruction manual here, on-off button, magnetic, flexible pole, spotlight, you can zoom in and out. It's 3 watts and it takes 3 AAA batteries which are included. Let's do that part. Take it out of this and even remove battery insulator. So they tell you a couple times. So that must be your battery insulator. The actual batteries just pop into this, and this pops into here, and then this pops into here. So all the batteries in there, very nice and smooth. Slide that into here, and I made it a little ugly by tearing that off, but hey, what can I do? Make sure this is tightened down, and there we go. So this is magnetic on the bottom. So you could use this to reach something if you drop something and you can't quite reach it. Bam, you got it now. And then this is very nice and flexible. And then just one press of the button and boom, you have a light. It'll last a good while for you, being 3 AA batteries and only 1 3-watt light. It's also made out of very nice like metal, even, you can hear it. It feels like metal. So very nice. I definitely like the brightness of it. It gives you the exact light you need, like in the exact location. So with this, you can zoom it in, or if you take it all the way out like it was before, you can zoom it out. Very nice though, nice brightness, easy on-off button, not a lot of settings there. And of course, at the end of the day, it's magnetic. So very nice. That is the Gooseneck work light with magnet unboxing.